Today we're going to show you how to turn off a urinal flush valve that won't quit running. And we just had a situation yesterday where a customer of ours called and needed the thing shut off, and we couldn't get there for probably an hour. So we just hopped on a video text and showed him how to do it, and he did it. So we're going to let him show you how to do it. Andrew, show him how it's done.
Hey, good morning. Andrew Odom here. Got a little issue with the urinal at work, Synovus Bank. I want to take a little video so we can diagnose the problem. Maybe if we can find a little fix for it. So I'm just going to show you what this urinal's doing right here. Let me flip the camera. It's rushing pretty good. We got a little screwy thing here. I don't know what's going on, but it's loose. The other one's not like that. That's what we got, man.
Hey Andrew, your problem is a very common problem, and I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick, or at least turn the valve off until we can get out there. So the thing that you said was screwy and loose, that's just a cover, so it comes off, and this is what it's going to look like underneath. So that is a a flathead screw valve. And when you get that cover off that you had your hand on, you're just going to want to turn that valve to the right and it'll turn off. And that'll save you from it overflowing until we get there. So let me know if that helps.
Andrew Odom coming live from the Synovus Bank bathroom, following up on our little urinal issue. Is still running, but what you can see here, we've got this little screwy cap cover off, and sure enough, there's a shut off valve right there. So I've got my flathead screwdriver, got it with me, and we're going to try to shut this thing off, see if it works. So here we go. Man, it's like magic.